Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the start button. Now, before we continue with the reset, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue. So after you wake up the screen, press the start button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the option called the settings. So once you find the settings icon, tap on it of course. In settings, look for the option called system, and once you find it, tap on it, and then find the option called reset, and once you find it, tap on it of course, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.